Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Gina, and I talk about all things faith, family, and health. If you're interested in that, keep watching, subscribe, like the video, do all that good stuff, you guys. So today we're going to talk about some essentials for getting ready and getting geared up to start our fitness journey. If you are interested in losing weight, I don't care if it's 5 pounds, 10 pounds, you guys come with me on this journey. I've done it before. The pictures that you see that I put on the thumbnail, that is from me at my heaviest, and then that was from me getting to my goals. I even lost more weight than that last picture. The picture that I posted, but and I'll put some more pictures inside of here. I did gain that weight back, and I go into detail talking about how I gained that weight back. I just went through a horrible 4 years. It was just thing happened after thing after thing, confined to a bed. Just got really sick from taking care of other people and putting myself last. And now I am ready. I am back on this weight loss journey. I'm going to do exactly what I did before. I do have to be a little bit stricter because I am going through premenopause. We'll get into all of that as well. So it's going to be a little more, just got to be a little bit more strict with it. We're still going to do it. We're going to get that weight off. And if you're interested, I do have a Facebook group. I will put that link in the description box that I just opened up. So if you're interested in joining that Facebook group, you go ahead and do it. We're going to be posting, we're going to post results, we're going to post some tips, all that type of stuff. Just a community of women who are there for each other, who have like-minded goals of faith, family, and health. Down because I have some things written down and I want to make sure I don't forget anything. But these are some of the things that will help you along your journey if you're interested in starting a weight loss journey as well. Everything will be listed in my blog, okay? So if I'm talking too fast, if you can't follow along, if you're trying to jot down, don't worry about jotting anything down. All you got to do is press a button. It's in the description box. It's going to link you right to my blog. And on my blog is everything written down. Also, there's links to everything in case you want to purchase anything from the links as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to need definitely is a water bottle. Now, these are things I think you really, really need to purchase. You can either use the big measuring cups, or I like this one in particular. This one right here is my favorite, but there's so many different ones that you can get. A water bottle, try to get at least 8 glasses of water a day, or half of your body weight is what they say. I also should mention I am a certified holistic health coach. So I got a lot of tips and tricks and things like that that can help you along the way too. Sometimes you even might think that you're like hungry and you're actually just thirsty. So you want to make sure that you have something that is keeping you hydrated along the way. Okay. Number 2, you want to get some meal prep containers, okay? Let me show you guys the ones that I use. So these are the ones that I use. There's a couple of compartments to it. There's some plastic ones. You also can do some glass ones. Glass ones is actually better. So if you can do these ones, I would even say do these ones. The reason I say do meal prep, in my last video, I was saying about how I have like noise, like when you have that addiction to food, or if you're a stress eater, you're always going to be thinking, what am I going to eat next? What am I going to eat for lunch? Even if it's healthy, your mind is still going and you're constantly thinking about that. When you meal prep, you don't have to think about that. Like, you wake up, your breakfast is done, your snacks is already packed. You don't have to think about any of that, okay? So that's why I love to meal prep. So definitely do meal prep containers. It is going to help you so much. You can write in what you're eating already. You don't have to think about it. You already know how many calories it is. You know what you're going to be doing for the day as long as you meal prep. That is so essential. All right, number 3, a scale. Both types of scales. You definitely want to get the scale for like the food scale. Now, I will say that. And the reason why I say a food scale is because if you're thinking, oh, let me just eyeball something, weigh stuff out, you don't know how much or what it looks like of how much you're eating. So you want to make sure, like if you're going to do 4 ounces of meat or 6 ounces of meat, you want to make sure you have that down. Or like even your starches, your rice, your grains, whatever you're eating, you need to weigh that out so that you can be successful, especially if you have like a time limit. You're saying, I want to get this weight off by 6 months. I want to get to be consistent as possible, and to reach your goals, you definitely want to have a scale, okay? Because that's going to help so much. And then also you want a weight scale, because you need to figure out like how much. You don't have to weigh every single day. In the beginning, you might want to weigh a little bit more, but at least once a week. At the same time, you want one of those. Now, include a picture of the one that I got. I love the scale, you guys, because if you pull it up and then you put your hand on it, and then it'll tell you, like, some days you might be up on the scale, but sometimes it's just water weight because you drunk a lot more water, or because I worked out and did strength training, just things like that, you guys. So it's kind of good to know, so you don't get discouraged, like, why was the scale up? Well, you know what, I actually gained muscle this week, but I had a lot of water, so it just depends. I love the scale for that, but get you a good scale. Okay. A measuring tape, because a scale is not the only thing that we measure by. And with a measuring tape, you can do that maybe once every 2 weeks or something like that. Measure your full body. I'm going to go over. I do have a weight loss planner, you guys, that I created, and it is going to help you so much as well. But in there, there's a spot that you can put your weight in there. You could put measurements of your breasts or your waist and all of that stuff, so you are going down in all the right places, especially if you're starting to walk every single day, starting to work out. Look at, y'all, we about to be snatched. Okay, we're gonna look so good. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for this. Like, yeah, we're doing this, you guys. All right, next thing is you want to get some cute workout gear, right? So I have, this is an Adidas thing, but I have a lot of different little workout things that are just cute. I do work out from home now because I did buy a machine, and I'll show you guys that machine. My husband and I decided we are going to invest in our health. We're going to put ourselves first. We're going to invest because we are getting a little bit older. It's important now more than anything to invest in your health. There was times where we would go out to eat and spend $100, over $100 on two people meal, just my husband and I's. And a waste of money when that could be going towards something else, something that is into our health, something that's going to make us feel good. I'll include some pictures. This is where we felt the best, right? Both of us were trim. We would ride our bikes every night. We had so much energy. When you're so overweight and you're eating the wrong foods, you feel horrible, right? So we don't want that. We want to feel good. We want to feel positive. And I'm so thankful to have my husband definitely on this journey as well. Okay. So you want to invest in workout gear. All right. A couple other things these are not essential, but it helps. And that is, I love to have I bought a little thing to go on my Apple Watch. And I put it on my ankle. And the reason why I put it on my ankle is because I like to do the treadmill. I work from home. So I have a home-based business. And so I do walking pads, and I have the desks that go up. And so I can get my steps in and I'm good to go. So it kind of tracks it for you, because when you have it on your arm, that's good. But if you are actually just walking on a treadmill, don't always pick it up. And so I like to count every single step when I'm going for a walk. Also in the grocery store, because if you're pushing that buggy, it's not going to count your steps. And I do like to get about 10,000 steps a day. All right. And the final things is going to be the weight loss planner, you guys. Like I said, this is something that I created. It's just a few dollars. I believe it's on sale, so just a few dollars. But this is great. This is going to help you along your way. This is just, I use as an example. Mine is all filled out. But you've got your body measurement trackers. You've got some weight goals. So it's kind of nice to know your whys of why you want to start, your goal weight, the goals, the motivation, all those good things, you guys. There's a weight tracker in there, so you can start from the day that you started. What is that weight? And just keep going, right? You've got a weekly meal planner. So like I said, not only are we going to meal plan, we also can write that down. So then we also can say, okay, on this week I lost 5 pounds. Why did I lose so much weight? And we can repeat that whole day, right? We also have another way of doing a meal plan. You can, once you get this, it comes, I think, a PNG and PDF. You can print as many copies as you want. If you don't have a machine at home, take it to Staples, take it to Office Depot, whatever you want. There's also a grocery list in there to help. Another grocery list. There's a workout routine, so however you want to work out. We've got some weight challenges, a period tracker if you have periods. That's important as well. A workout log. We've got a vision board. I love to have like different pictures of, okay, this is what I want to look like. some motivation things right there. And we've got sections for notes. But like I said, a lot of different things that's going on in there. Just want to show you guys that. Okay, and those are all the steps to help us get ready and get back on our weight loss journey. I am so excited to be doing this with you guys. Some of y'all was in my challenge last time, and some of you guys did say, oh, I did reach my goal from back then. And thank you so much for saying that. Keep commenting. That's how I know that you guys are enjoying the video. Keep making sure you thumbs it up. Keep making sure you like it so that I can help you and bring more content to you. So the next video I'm going to be showing on tomorrow is going to be a meal preparation. So how I prep my food and get ready for this whole weight loss. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, unless it's a holiday or something. And that it's all going to be pertaining to either faith, family, or health. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate this. Leave a comment if you're going to go with me on the journey. Also how much weight you want to lose, right? So I said 100, but that's probably a little bit overkill. Probably, maybe 60 pounds or something like that, or 50 pounds would be good. But we'll see. We'll see how I feel when I get to where I want, where I was before, and if I want to just stop there, but we will see. But leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We got this, y'all. We got this, okay? We got this.